I lost over $10,000 in potential earnings because of these 5 affiliate marketing mistakes. Stick around and I will show you how to avoid them and skyrocket your commission. I have been in this game for over 5 years, and trust me, I have made my fair share of costly errors. But you don't have to repeat my mistakes. Let's jump right in and explore these top 5 affiliate marketing blunders that drain my bank account and how you can avoid them. Number 1, choosing low commission products. The first major mistake that hit my wallet hard was focusing on low commission products. When I started, I thought promoting popular items on Amazon would lead to quick success. Boy, was I wrong. Here's what I've learned. While platforms like Amazon are great for beginners, their commission rates are often tiny. I was working hard for penny when I could have been earning dollars. How to avoid this? Number 1, research high-ticket items in your niche. Number 2, look for affiliate program offering 30% commission or higher. Number 3, consider promoting digital products or services. They often have higher commission rates. Number 4, don't ignore recurrent commission programs. Remember, it takes just as much effort to promote a $20 item as it does a $200 item. Choose wisely, your bank account will thank you. Number 2, neglecting email marketing. The second mistake that cost me thousands was underestimating the power of email marketing. I thought social media and website were enough. I couldn't have been more wrong. Email marketing is a secret weapon of successful affiliate marketers. By ignoring it, I left a ton of money on the table. How to avoid this? Number 1, start building your email list from day 1. Number 2, offer valuable lead magnet to encourage signups. Number 3, segment your list for targeted promotions. Number 4, develop an email nurture sequence. Number 5, don't be afraid to promote via email, but provide value first. Remember, your email list is an asset you own. Unlike social media followers, it can't be taken away from you overnight. Number 3, ignoring mobile optimization. My third costly mistake was neglecting mobile users. I focused all my effort on creating content that looked great on desktop, completely forgetting that most people browse on their phones. How to avoid this? Number 1, use a mobile responsive website theme. Number 2, text your content on various devices. Number 3, optimize image and videos for mobile loading speed. Number 4, use larger, easy to click button on your affiliate links. Number 5, consider creating mobile specific content like vertical videos. With over 50% of web traffic coming from mobile devices, ignoring this audience is like turning away half of my potential customers at the door. Number 4, not diversifying traffic sources. The fourth mistake that hit me hard was putting all of my eggs in one basket when it comes to traffic. I rely solely on Google organic search, and when an algorithm update hit, my income plummeted overnight. How to avoid this? Number 1, explore multiple traffic sources. SEO, social media, YouTube, and even paid ads. Number 2, build a presence on platform where your audience hang out. Number 3, consider starting a YouTube channel alongside your blog. Number 4, experiment with new platforms like TikTok or Pinterest. Number 5, don't neglect the power of networking and collaboration. Diversifying your traffic source not only protects you from sudden changes, but also open new opportunities for growth. Number 5, promoting products without testing them. The fifth and final mistake was promoting products I haven't personally used. I thought good reviews were good enough. This led to promoting some bad products, damaging my credibility and costing me loyal followers. How to avoid this? Number 1, always try products before promoting them. Number 2, be honest about your experience, whether good or bad. Number 3, provide genuine in-depth reviews. Number 4, don't be afraid to mention drawbacks alongside benefits. Number 5, only promote products you truly believe in. Your audience trusts you. Honor that trust by giving honest first-hand recommendations. There you have it, the 5 affiliate marketing mistakes that cost me thousands and how you can avoid it. By choosing high commission products, leveraging email marketing, optimizing for mobile, diversifying traffic sources, and promoting products you have tested. You will be setting yourself up for affiliate marketing success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks. And hey, I have got a special offer for you. I have created a comprehensive affiliate marketing checklist that will help you avoid these mistakes and many more. Click the link in the description to download it for free. Remember, in affiliate marketing, learning from others can save you both time and money. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.